So folks, South Africa is actually an anomaly in terms of most developing countries. The situation we find ourselves in, where agriculture only contributes 3%, is an anomaly. And that's mainly on account of the fact that South Africa's industrial sectors and services sectors are so developed. They're so developed so they contribute a lot more to GDP, and by comparison, relatively, the agricultural sector is seen to be much smaller. Now, if you had to go to other developing countries, particularly on the African continent, let's take Uganda, for example. In Uganda, agriculture contributes almost 25% to GDP. Let's jump over the border to Zimbabwe. In Zimbabwe, agriculture contributes 14% to GDP. But most importantly, it provides almost 70% of the employment. Take it a step further. In Nigeria, agriculture contributes 21% to GDP. Now, I've got a quick question for you. Which country is the largest agricultural producer in the world? Which country is the largest agricultural producer in the world? It actually used to be the USA. It's no longer the USA. They're second. It's now China. But I want to focus on the USA. That's the largest economy in the world. What percentage do you think agriculture contributes to GDP in the USA? It's the largest economy in the world and the second largest agricultural producer. How much do you think agriculture contributes as a percentage to the American economy? It's only 2%, folks. It's only 2%. And that's because the services sector and the industrial sectors are so much larger in the UK that agriculture only contributes 2%. And the agriculture there has also become commercialized and highly automated. It's not discounting it, it's not saying it's unimportant, but by value, it's only contributing 2% to GDP.